The vacuum table is fixed to the T-slot table using a pressure plate. Turn on the switch corresponding to the area covered by the workpiece only. The workpiece can be directly clamped using the soft surface of the vacuum table body. Use a flat-end milling cutter to mill the surface of the aluminum block. After machining the workpiece, the scattered cutting chips must be blown away first. Then turn off the switch on the vacuum table. Install aluminum plastic composite replacement plate. Secure the replacement plate with countersunk screws. When using it for the first time, use a flat-bottom milling cutter to resurface the black sacrificial layer. Milling depth less than 0.05 mm. Milling can ensure a satisfactory flatness. Place the workpiece to test the clamping effect of the black plastic layer. Press the workpiece down with one hand and quickly turn on the switch with the other. Test the workpiece clamping effect using a flat end mill. The vacuum will be automatically broken when the switch is turned off. How to clean vacuum table. Rotate the switch, which is in the off position, counterclockwise by 30 degrees. The valve inside the vacuum port will be in the open state. The vacuum table enters the air extraction state. Sprinkle with clean water. Water will be rapidly drawn into the vacuum table. Water will flow along the vacuum hose into the automatic vacuum liquid separator. No need to clean the vacuum table after processing a workpiece. Clean the vacuum table like this after each day's use. No need to remove the vacuum table from the T-slot table. Continue using it the next day. Once the water inside the vacuum table has been removed, you can turn off the switch. You can turn off the switch now. For vacuum tables with dimensions exceeding 400 mm 600 mm, it is recommended to clean each area individually. The vacuum can be used to evacuate individual areas, resulting in a better cleaning effect. How to assemble modular vacuum table. Side to side. Place a T-nut with a round gasket. Aligning vacuum table. Make sure the gasket is pressed against the shoulder of the vacuum table. Select a suitable internal hexagon countersunk screw. Generally, an M1040 screw is selected. Squeeze the vacuum table tighter again. Simply tighten the screw. The pressure plates on both sides are also fixed. An aluminum plastic replacement plate needs to be installed during normal use. The replacement plates of the two vacuum tables were integrally milled in order to obtain an overall flatness. Simply turn on the switch covering the workpiece area. Back-to-back vacuum table. Turn on the vacuum pump switch. Note that the mechanism of the fixed Vacuum table is in the Y-axis direction. Make sure your T-slot table has enough width.